Welcome to the BCX and Brainstorm Magazine Public Sector Roundtable as we look back at this year working on the COVID-19 pandemic since the breakout here in South Africa. So we kind of have a full view of exactly what has been going on. We've watched as quite a number of departments have tried to juggle things around and ensure that they make it work.
What is it that we can do, we've been able to do during the pandemic, and what are some of the challenges we are still faced with that we would like to be able to address as a nation going forward? You know, the headline of today's discussion is, as public sector, how have we been able to deliver during the pandemic? And I think the question then goes into the future. As the public sector, how will we use this opportunity to leap ourselves forward into the future?
We've had to develop quite a number of tools that we had to migrate from a manual process to digital tools.
For me, the pandemic also meant that we needed to be very agile to respond fast. It is quite difficult in the public sector. We are automating a lot of our processes to actually understand our customer better.
The plans we had, they were actually going to take a longer time to get the connectivity to the people who needed it most.
We have got really areas that have and areas that don't have. And that is a big challenge, which I think it opened our eyes and it requires to do more. But I would say as a country, we can be able to respond if we implement on the discussions that are taking place.
There are probably a number of things that have suffered in the process of, implementing certain technologies. And I think that this is a new experience. In my time lecturing, I've never been part of changes relating to a global pandemic.
So we had to identify students who are coming from remote areas. We had to identify international students. We had to identify students who needed the devices such as laptops. And that data would then be used to send or loan our student devices such as laptops.
So I do appreciate the discussions that we had today, and I appreciate the participation of all the forum members. Hopefully we get to see you and follow up on some of these discussions in the near future.
Thank you very much, everyone, for joining us, and you have a great day. Thank you.